What are you looking for?
Just a bunch of pens because a lot of them don't write. I throw them away and we're running out. ¿Qué? After a little while, I'll go open it a little bit. 8 o'clock. Oops.
What's the deal today, guys?
Give me a minute, you'll see it.
Okay, thank you.
Right here.
Didn't mean to rush ya.
50% off.
Just so you know, I took one of those planners over on our property, so you'll cover them, okay?
I need to see which one, because some of them did sell. It still has that price tag on it?
I didn't even look, I just tried to say it.
Okay.
If it's missing a price tag, it's already been paid for.
Well, some of it I wrote on there, so.
I'll have to go look.
Whatever's on there, whatever you see, half of that.
That, okay, thank you.
Hello.
Virginia wanted those copper pans.
Did she?
Yeah.
Did you tell her she was a day late and $1 short?
She said, she called up, she's having back problems and she couldn't get down, she called and just said that. I said, no, Lauren, do it.
Yeah.
That's too bad, I said these somewhere.
What are you looking for goodies, Vern?
Yeah, I
Yes,
can't have them back here because
Oh,
we're
yeah?
gonna be have traffic coming in and out.
I'll just carry them. I'll get a basket.
Maybe?
Yeah, you can put them in a basket. That way, somebody else already know that that's taken.
Yeah, that for 20 years, isn't it? Hey, you guys remember last spring when you left here in May?
Yeah. I think it was June, but yeah. Yeah?
Passed you on
No? You're right, I don't.
Bill was telling me the night before that we would probably pass you because you were leaving the next day in that motorhome.
Oh, okay.
And buddy, the other side of San Antonio, the wind was blowing something terrible.
Yeah.
And I seen that motorhome roll like this down the highway. He was having a heck of a time keeping us in.
And it's funny, I don't remember that at all.
And we went by there blowing the horn and waving. Had the sunroof open, waving at you. You were probably in there white knuckling us.
No, I was probably reading a book. I try to pay as little attention to the driving as possible.
I thought, there she goes.
Sam, are you very strong? If, I know they want this stuff out of here. If I buy this, could you just call it like by Sam's house? And help
I'll
me
bet me and
with it?
Sam could.
Sam is golfing this morning.
Oh. Well,
Just a minute, I'll find out if he wants it. Hi. Oh, okay. Yep, bye. 5.
Yeah, that's what I mean,
I have some people to ask, when does the sale go on as far as
As soon as we open.
reduction?
As soon as we open.
Oh, this morning's half price.
Yep, should be sign out there.
Oh, is there? Is there someplace I can set these while I'm looking around?
Just anywhere, just not in front of the register.
Okay, I just want to make sure that nobody else picks them up.
Take the tags off. Anything without a tag is already spoken for.
I don't see a tag on the bottom one though. So does that mean it's already spoken for? Or it just doesn't have a
No,
tag?
it's probably, it has to be somewhere there. It's not written on anywhere, no?
that's a set, they go together.
Well, she said she had them priced
Yeah.
separately.
Yeah, oh.
Can I see one of the tags? See if it comes.
There's all three of them. Let me see if it's over there. Hey, back again. Oh, wait a minute, here it is. Laying on the floor.
No.
It's right here.
Yep. The two smaller ones are 15, the two larger ones are 20.
Yeah, yeah. Now you want me to hang on to the tags?
Just remind me that I have.
Well, except I'm kind of in the, let me shove them around the side here because this is kind of, well,
I'll remind
they're
you.
not really blocking, but I'll move them around the side over here.
Need me to play tonight?
I'll put them right over here.
I
How's
don't know,
that?
I haven't gotten hold of her yet, but her daughter's here, so I have a feeling that I need you to.
Okay, if I don't, I think Jenny needs a partner too. So,
Oh, really?
if you wanna play with her, that, I've kinda got a mess at my house, but if you can't get her to play, I will. But
Okay.
I've kinda got a mess at my house right now. I had a hose that came off our stool while we were gone last night.
Yeah, oh, my
Water all
goodness
over.
gracious.
So
Oh.
I'm kinda tired of it up since.
Well, okay, well, I'll see you.
Yeah, see.
Or then I'll call Jenny if she can.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. How much was this?
Whatever price is on there,
There wasn't a price, there
Where
wasn't a
was
price
it?
yesterday.
Outside?
Yeah,
then you'd have to ask
okay.
my boss.
She in the garage?
Yes.
Well, you can have this one more on. Which one? No. This was not the one you were looking at? Yes, but that's all right. No problem, Kathy. I gotta let the kids. They got more than one in their life, they got of them. Okay. I'm on the downhill side.
So we control all of them, that's all you need.
Yeah, 'cause I was looking at the face on it. Man, I don't know anymore, I guess.
Oh, is that what the slash in front?
This one? No.
Yeah.
Hi. I was gonna send a picture of both of them, but she just, that's not.
Yeah, those are nice for fountains too.
Yeah.
What they do is they stack them up, and then they use a copper tube running up through there, and they have put one of those little pond fountains there, really pretty.
How's that going?
I'm very busy.
Yeah.
I've got to be down today, I've got the last of, I run my lavatory classes 4 weeks in a row, so today's the last day of one class. Then Bill and I are taking off Sunday, well, tomorrow. We're going up to Oklahoma a couple weeks for golfing. Then when I come back, I start the classes all over again, so it's been busy. Yeah. And if we happen to see any wild pigs or like go wander out in front of us, it's gonna go down too.
Okay.
No, we try to make ways down. He needs to make his land down, so.
They don't do that. I shoot anything that moves.
Well, this is, we're on private property, so you gotta
Fact
respect,
is, I
you have to respect the cows.
I just read the paper up north this morning there after some poachers getting those
It's not the
animals.
same piece. No, it is. You better. Okay. I know she got one of her Kathy over there. I thought it was a separate. That's right, that. What is it over there?
Well, and it is now. There's, what used to be in there. I know that. They got rid of a lot of things, but they got a lot to go yet, don't they? Oh, there's one of those boards for playing that game.
You know what I'm looking for is a lid on that riser.
Those are pretty planet stand, Kathy.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm trying to find a lid. I don't see.
Pretty what?
well, they probably don't have one. They've got everything
I love
else.
these little rocks.
Done.
Huh?
And we didn't put it on for about 4 hours.
Out on running or but I need to put this down.
It's in our family room, our place. I told him before I did this about, this will be a lot later. I don't know what it is, so hopefully it won't affect the.
I'm sorry. I took this off because I thought my son for sure wanted it. Then I sent him a picture of it and he said no. And
Okay,
but I
Becca.
want you to know that. Thank you very much. Oops, that's sold.
So my, tag off. That's why, that's right, that's in my hands.
Are you interested? There's two of them.
No, I'm not even the least bit interested.
It's a nice pot. Yeah.
Which chair was it now?
How are you?
Which chair was it?
This one right here, this wicker chair.
Hi Linda, hi there.
It's okay. It's not a problem.
Do you know how much, what are you looking for?
There was some little kitsue
They're,
on this
they're
is
original by supplier, so they're
You sure she collects those, doesn't she?
Yeah, just now that you picked it up.
No, there was.
They left to go from Clark today.
Oh,
She wanted me to come check.
Like $2 tomorrow.
Might as well take a second look.
Oh, I can't put it on the phone for that.
That's what I came back to see what,
But I am going there right now to get the other one. Oh, you are?
Never know.
It's thin down, you can see. Well, let's see now. Monday. Oh. He wouldn't come Monday.
so who's doing the pricing?
It's between the owners and the boss.
Okay, because I know the other day she had said that some of the shells were $5 each. I was wondering,
Yeah.
in the glass case, so I have to find her, where is she?
In the garage, I believe. At the other register.
A shell.
You're serious.
There's a, well, I can carry it.
Oh,
it's still in my bathroom, and I think it's already in the bathroom. Yeah.
Still have tons of stuff.
Oh, don't
They'll
they?
have to have they'll have to have a big U-Haul to carry it all.
Yeah. I know, they have.
What's up, Mr. Paul? ¿Cómo está? Good. You? Yeah, doing all right. Good. Yesterday was a long day.
See?
Yep.
What time you guys take off?
We stayed an hour later.
So you stayed around 8 or what?
Yeah, around 8. From 8 in the morning to 8 at night.
That's how
you can tell.
I've got one like that.
That's why you get the big bucks.
Come on, our grandparents.
He's still working.
But I had it in a spot that I can't get another one that's size. So, yeah, so I'm old fashioned.
We brought one down here from Iowa, I don't know why, I didn't wet run. We used it for cool. It looks brand new.
Ready?
On the bus, go around and around.
Check out.
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Not, just, un momento.
So food, all food is
25
quarter,
cents.
okay. So
Whatever price you see, have with that.
Okay, and these are a quarter, right? Okay.
Get your platters.
I want, there's 2 planters out there, they're
Are
marked
there,
10s.
are there, are they tags or are they just written on there?
No, they're tagged,
Okay, I need the
10.
tags.
Oh, okay.
I go get
Get
them.
'em.
I get them.
You're gonna take them with you right now?
Yeah,
Okay. Because if not, I'd have to follow you out and mark them.
yeah.
So nobody else picks them. Hit 3 foods, 99. 909 o'clock.
3 foods would be 75.
Yeah, but I'm gonna enter all the prices. The computer will do this discount.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I need to enter the original.
Okay.
Machines do all the work for us nowadays. Aren't they?
Yeah, I'm still living in the dark ages.
Get you all set.
Which is sad is that I can't remember their phone number. When I was in high school, I used to memorize all my friends' numbers, phone numbers, stuff like that. Now that I have the damn cell phone, I can't even remember my own phone number.
And then I've got 2 shoes.
Let's see. Card back. 9004,
I saw it first, I thought it first.
9016, and 96.
That was David.
Well, that was wonderful. I had 3.
How are you?
339. I got
I
that.
found the recipe
You got the shoes?
online. He's the cook.
Oh, it's wonderful.
I saw you guys yesterday, I didn't actually meet you, I'm Laurel.
I'm Tom. Hi,
You
Laurel.
met last year.
Be careful.
Yes, I found that out yesterday.
We used to have a really thick wooden one, but it's only my mother now because I no longer work.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay, good enough.
she got something lighter. Put up in one of her planters.
Well, we don't have painting and art gallery yet. I'm not in the gallery to enter into it. Though there are some places in downtown, I think that the art center maybe I have
Comes out to 1882.
cutting. So usually I recommend, well, you know, just, well, unfortunately, I'm going hunting tomorrow. But I'm after the 13th or so, I'll be back to the gallery.
When they tell you your change and your receipts coming out. Right here are the discounts. They were all 50. Okay, good. Except for that one. How did that one come up 48? 48 cents. Does that make any sense? I don't know. What's 2% of 25 cents?
Yeah, you never know. There's so many people I know. I don't keep
Couple
names in my
pennies.
head either. It's like, oh,
Here's a nickel card. I don't know why the computer did that.
There you go. There, now we're even.
Thank you.
Is there any chips on it?
¿Qué vienes?
Sí, un chair class.
Se robaron como 3 ayer.
Sí, es. Hombre. Tiene cushion, lo usaron por el cushion, tiene que.
I don't remember. I just remember the tags.
There is some of that around. So. Yeah, Mom does it. It's on the shows.
1083.
Well, she was there last night too.
917.
¿Tienen piggy bank? ¿No hizo piggy bank?
I haven't looked at any of this stuff.
No, esto.
No, this is only the third time I've been here. Like I've only been here for just a couple of years.
¿Y la Maggie?
That's it.
So she and another gal, Sue, right?
This is probably my last one.
Did you see Sue last night?
¿Qué estás haciendo?
Because it's in Edinburgh. This is closer to Edinburgh, I'll be there.
Have they?
Yeah. I don't know all the time.
Okay, that's the
They're still, they were $5 for a t-shirt.
It's a long drive over here.
I'm gonna take them back.
The classes are really reasonable, and we try to focus them to try to get people educated if we can about really important. So I have a lot of information. It's keeping me busy, my volunteer has been working for a full time.
So you're good.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, sure. Starting to meet people. Yeah.
You doing those?
That's
Yeah, those are
where you
pranks.
guys, did you buy or you renting?
No, we bought, we're gonna
Did you have,
Okay, Dick and Katrina actually live right next door.
Okay, they're old places,
Yeah,
if you go straight down.
You didn't have it? You should have told me.
Is this Michigan?
This is Michigan here.
Okay, yeah, so straight
You
down
should've told
Michigan, you would, if you kept that,
You should've
you
told me.
would drive right to our place.
I just, that's why I was
We're
asking.
right there.
Yeah, I'm trying to think what streets out here.
Right here.
Come around the curve.
Huh?
Oh, so you're at that end, okay.
No, it's not. I'm the one that has the gnats and flies and everything.
It's not gonna stay closed all day.
I understand that.
It's closed now.
Yeah, if you ever.
That's the thing with have their personal photos.
I tried pulling everything out and those were last minute things that we found. So. You got this one?
Yeah, I got it.
She was really nice.
That's what I hear.
1354.
To take this.
When she goes back, she usually tries to, this year she and Linda went.
Strange.
Linda, was it this year you guys went to New York? Last year.
I really liked her. I used to go see her in the nursing home. Sweet little lady.
I put that in a bag.
Always sad.
46 of your change.
Yeah, you'll be staying around.
Thank you.
All
ma'am.
right.
Your receipt. In case they ask, I'll take. Hold it.
Oh, I don't need a receipt.
They might ask you, I'll take, because we have two registers.
Oh, right, okay, good, because I'm gonna take, look at that thing.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, Linda. Hey, Linda, what year did you and Mom go to New York? Was that last year? Oh, okay. How many shows did you end up taking in?
Trip.
Oh, I had the most wonderful time I've ever been. And my mother can tell you some stories about going to New York City with a Texan. I know all the stories in New York City. Linda, that was great yesterday, by the way. Thank you.
Thomas. Yes. In that last cupboard, look at those, see what you think.
There's some in the china cabinet too. Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw those.
Get it in the light. I've got the lid. Yeah, I've got the lid. Yeah, I'm gonna change Japan. OMC, isn't that occupancy? Military OMC?
I don't think so much glassware in the entire line.
Yes, you do, because we have.
Yeah.
My God.
I got me a cookbook. There's a pasta machine back there. You think Bill would want to make his own
Bill has
pasta?
one pasta machine that he got brand new quite a few years ago that he's never used.
Oh.
It's still sitting
I
in
started
our
to
closet.
pick it up and I thought, no, I
It'll be one
never,
of those things that goes out after.
I never use it.
Her kids will have to deal with that crap.
Ginger jar. It says right there, ginger jar.
Okay.
541.
I thought it was, oh, it was $10. Yes.
Well, I didn't see that, the way that was.
Okay, I guess.
Wait, the bag or in the
Now
safe?
one.
Oh, no, we can do it.
It was meant to be, you had
Those are
that.
two. Both of them. Those are two.
Didn't mean to buy anything but one thing for somebody that sent me over here.
Here's another one. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Alright, I guess I'll just take those baskets and
40.59. Collector cheese box. Regular price 15. I'm sorry, she's taking 2 of them.
Your total comes out to $32.48.
you know what, I just noticed is,
Sorry.
I didn't even notice these the other day. They're kind of like, oh,
Yeah, they picked it up and
Oh, okay.
Very rough lady. That, and where's the little
the little cow that she broke.
Oh, it was one person, it was that rough.
Yeah, look. I
And
found
she
the
was-
leg and I'm like,
Oh, there's my card. He wants to finish
there's
that
the
out.
leg. Don't ring
Was that everything? Just those 4 items?
Yeah, just those. Take a picture of that tortilla press. I have a friend of mine who collects primitives.
Is this correct?
Send him that, see if he wants it.
Our old address is on there.
Alrighty, thank you.
this first one.
So we were talking about quilting, what can we do with these? Paint 'em.
I'm gonna put this on top.
Just those 4 items?
Yes.
Comes out to $32.48. You take everything.
My buddy. Yeah, no, really.
It was Visa, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You go first.
What's your copy?
That's fine.
Got stuff in it.
So for $2.50 now,
Huh? No, I don't have.
Here's your receipt invoice, just in case they ask about price.
Thank you.
I noticed they were really pretty. Oh, that's cute.
and
108.
some pillows there that I'll just use for
I saw they
forms.
had, yeah.
For forms, because
Yeah.
I need some for forms.
Forms, yeah.
And then I'll,
You guys don't worry about bringing your shop.